Hey, welcome back. Now, this is where your training meets real life in a big way. Traveling with your pet. Whether it's a short car ride or even a flight, your goal is simple. Keep your pet calm, keep your pet safe, and make the experience stress free. Let me ask you, how does your pet react during travel? Excited, nervous, or restless? Or maybe completely uncomfortable? Perfect. That tells you where to start. Start small, especially for beginners. If your pet isn't used to travel, don't start with long trips. Begin with sitting in the car with engines off, short 5 to 10 minutes drives, gradually increasing the duration. Build comfort step by step. Car travel basics. First and foremost, safety first. Use a crate or pet seat belt. Keep windows controlled. Avoid letting pets roam freely. This prevents distraction and accidents. Create positive associations. Make travel feel like a good thing. Before and during travel, give treats, bring favorite toys, use calm voice. Your pet should think travel means some good experience. Manage energy before travel. Before a trip, give your pet some exercise. Walk your dog, play with your cat. A slightly tired pet means a calmer traveler. Stay calm yourself. Your pet reads your energy. If you are stressed, they feel it. So stay relaxed, move naturally, avoid overreacting. Your calmness means their comfort. Flight basics. If you plan to fly, use an airline approved carrier. Get your pet used to the carrier ease early. Check airline rules in advance. You don't need to panic in the last moment. You need to be aware and know all the rules, all the guidelines that your specific airline follows. Practice staying inside the carrier at home. The carrier that you will be using for your pet, just make sure that your pet is accustomed to that carrier. It is used to staying in that for long hours. Training for the carrier. Make the carrier a safe space. Leave it open at home. Put treats inside. Let your pet explore. Same principle as crate training. Remember, we had a specific lecture for crate training. The carrier training is completely similar. Next is common mistakes to avoid. Few of the most common mistakes that I have seen the pet trainers do is forcing your pet into travel suddenly. They'll not prepare, they'll not give time for the to the pets to get accustomed. They'll just force their pet into the carrier and just force them to travel. That is extremely a no no. Ignoring signs of stress and not preparing in advance. You must be prepared because preparation means smooth experience. This week, take your pet for a short car session. Sit inside calmly, reward relaxed behavior. Even without driving, that's totally fine. Just make sure that your pet starts getting used to your travel mode. Build comfort first and then begin the real travel experience. Travel is new and unfamiliar for your pet. Your job is to make it feel safe and predictable. And here's something powerful. When your pet trusts you in a new environment, they stay calm anywhere. That's real confidence. And we are striving for the same. In the next lecture, we'll handle another important situation, which is multi pet household training. This is where balance and control matter. So take it step by step, stay calm, and I'll see you in the next lecture.